Still hanging on to the low 90s, 6 o'clock hour, 91 degrees. We do have some shadows on the south side of town thanks to some high altitude cirrus clouds overhead. Feels like 100 with the southeast wind at 20 miles per hour. Did see some shower activity near the coast this morning. Another little group of showers in B County this afternoon, but right now all is quiet in the coastal bend. A few offshore showers drifting from south to north. Shouldn't be a problem for us. 10 to 20 mile per hour winds out of the southeast, mid to low 90s, a few upper 80s sprinkled in there. The heat index though, with the humidity, almost everyone feels like between 100 and 105 this afternoon. Texas does have some rain in the central part of the state. That should stay away from us this afternoon and tonight. Some of this may try to sneak in tomorrow morning, but still the coverage is going to be isolated in the forecast moving into Wednesday. Fred, now a tropical depression, it's producing some tornadoes. That's not uncommon with tropical features moving into interior locations. We're still dealing with some of the side effects from Fred. Primarily at the beach, the rip current risk is going to be high, 3-foot waves at a 7-second period for wind day. So take note of that if you have beach plans tomorrow. Fred going to continue to move to the north. Henri going to circle around Bermuda, also move to the north. Neither of those a problem for us, but Grace is going to be something we've got to be paying attention to. It moved over Jamaica today, and it's starting to look more like a tropical storm. It is a tropical storm, but it's looking like it on satellite imagery. 50-mile-per-hour winds moving west at 15 miles per hour. The spaghetti plot shows pretty good agreement through the Gulf of Mexico. High pressure in the southeast U.S. is going to suppress a northerly turn, which will keep Grace south of Texas as it moves into Mexico over the weekend. So it's going to move into some places that you're probably familiar with. A Category 1 hurricane over the Yucatan. That's where Cancun and Cozumel are. It's going to get impacted by this Category 1 storm. Then it's going to weaken on the western side of the Yucatan after moving over the land and back into the Bay of Campeche as a Cat 1 hurricane, 85-mile-per-hour winds on approach to Mexico over the weekend on Saturday. It's well south of Texas, but we may have some coastal impacts from it, and we also may have a chance at some scattered shower activity when that moves in. Wednesday, isolated activity. Saturday, scattered showers and storms. That will depend on the exact track that Grace takes en route to Mexico. We will have a quiet night, but a few isolated showers expected here on Wednesday. Coverage, again, going to be minimal, mid to low 90s. The heat index over 100, and a southeast wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, going to be warm and stuffy, mid to upper 70s. A little chance for an isolated shower or two tomorrow. High temperatures in the mid 90s. Heat index between 105 and 110 for a lot of us. Air temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Upper 80s, low 90s at the coast. The heat index, again, going to be problematic, as high as 112 for some of you. Drink water, stay hydrated, get those electrolytes in if you're spending a lot of time outside, as it will be very hot. It will also be breezy, mid-90s Thursday and Friday. There's that scattered chance for a few tropical showers or storms. Isolated activity on Sunday. Then we drop the rain chances into early next week with mid-90s and sunshine ahead. Leslie, Rudy.
Thanks, Alan. With each new school year, options for after-school